At a time when the craft beer industry is booming, breweries with an annual output of 3,000 kiloliter, 5,000 kiloliter, and 10,000 kiloliter have become the mainstream production capacity options in the market. However, many investors are confused when selecting equipment. They are not clear about what size equipment is needed to match the corresponding production capacity, and it is difficult to estimate the actual annual output of the established equipment. Today we take a brewery with an annual output of 5,000 kiloliter as an example, to talk about the common configuration schemes of the mash system and the fermentation system. Based on 300 effective working days per year, the average daily production capacity demand of a brewery of this scale is 16.6 kiloliter. Taking into account the difference between the off-season and peak season of beer consumption, the equipment design capacity needs to be increased to an average of 20 kiloliter per day. From the perspective of energy saving and cost control, a set of 5,000 liter 4-vessel mash equipment is configured, and a 2-shift production mode is adopted. Brewing 4 batches a day can meet the demand. If subsequent expansion is required, the brewing batches will be increased to 6 batches, and the daily production capacity can be increased to 30 kiloliter. For enterprises pursuing higher production efficiency, they can also choose the 5-vessel mash system. By optimizing the equipment occupancy time, the production intensity of 8 batches per day can be achieved, greatly improving the mash efficiency. The configuration of the fermentation system needs to be designed around the product fermentation cycle. Taking wheat beer with a fermentation cycle of 2 weeks as an example, combined with the daily production capacity demand of 20 kiloliter, the total volume of the fermentation tank needs to reach 300 kiloliter. In the selection of specific equipment, it is necessary to flexibly choose according to the characteristics of the product. Small volume fermentation tanks are suitable for small variety specialty beers, while large volume fermentation tanks are recommended for mainstream best-selling beer varieties. To improve production efficiency and reduce unit energy consumption, the scientific configuration of the brewery mash system and fermentation system needs to comprehensively consider multiple factors such as capacity planning, production mode, and product characteristics. If you have other questions about the configuration of beer equipment, please leave a message in the comment area, and our technical team will provide you with professional answers.